Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for the likes, thank you for the subscribers, thank you for the everything, thank you for the views. So today I have a new person in my channel, my best friend, Rumrose.
I'm here.
There she is.
I'm the best friend. Kindly like, subscribe, and share.
Okay, road to 500. So today we have a game here. Who knows who best?
Who knows who best?
So she'll start.
Yeah, I will start. I have 10 questions. My first question is
Alafu tuko na hii msisahau. Tuko na hii. Ukifail.
Kaunga. So, what is my favorite color?
Purple.
No!
Okay.
My favorite color is burnt orange.
Wow. Yes. Anyways, my next question. What was my worst experience in high school?
What? High school.
Mbaya, tuendelee.
Your worst experience?
In high school.
High school, worst experience. What worst experience? Kunini.
Experience yangu mbaya yenyewe.
Kuosha pavement.
Si.
Eki kadogo.
Kupatwa nikikula githeri preps.
Ah.
That was my worst.
When is today? Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ngoja. Unaniambia mbio sana.
When is today?
27th.
Fuck.
Kanilo ni tarehe. Leo ni 27 na. Leo ni 27.
7 March 2025. March 2025. Ukusema.
What is my dream car? Ndio mbio.
Dream?
Car.
G-Wagon. Rolls Royce.
BMW.
Yeah, niko. Kama niko kwa masikio.
Next.
Nasikia. What's my favorite ice cream flavor? 1, 2, 3.
Vanilla. Chocolate strawberry.
Nenda na ya kwanza. Leta. Ni chocolate.
Sure. Si chocolate. Siko ni gym. Kishua.
Achapata limoja.
Same. What is my nickname, Mbio?
Toto. Weda.
Hiyo ni saa kuna ya kwanza. Ngwata.
Atiu.
Ngwata. The next.
When was the last time we texted?
Today. Niko gang. Mbio, what is my favorite dish, Mbio?
Pilau kuku.
Okay, good.
Yeah. What is my favorite sport when I'm sad?
Basketball.
Mina come to a back. Kuja hapa.
Okay, sure.
With love. Outside watching stars.
Dying. Wow. What do I do when I'm angry, Mbio?
Unakula.
Hapana guys.
Unatembea.
Sikulangi.
Unakulanga.
Sikulangi.
Unatembeanga.
Nalala.
Unalala.
Nalo na nsako ya kwanza.
Kaka hapa. Pole. Nina ni decorate.
Lisa.
What is my next plan after finishing school? Yeah.
Attachment.
No, after finishing school.
I'm getting a job.
But I kitu hapa getting married.
Uongo hapo.
Ni getting married.
Uongo hapo ati getting married. Uongo. Taki. Aki uongo. Getting married. Uongo.
Next.
What is my dream job? Mbio.
Dream job. Being an dream job. Angoja, wait. Being getting a job. Hey,
being a manager.
Manager now, yes. Decorate. What is my favorite dress code combo? What is my favorite dress code combo? Yeah, I got her.
Akishua.
Yes.
Nakuuliza ngoma ngoja.
Uliza. Kinaka. Cheki watu. Kuna kitu ananifanya.
What is my best experience in life?
Your best experience? Your best experience? Wait, chill. Your best experience? In terms of?
Yeah, in general, in life.
Your best experience? Best experience? You don't have is your best experience? Nipake. Kidogo. Yeah. Okay, this is my new hairstyle. Check venye ananifanya.
Lazima.
How old am I?
Facing my fears. Anakwambia facing my fears. My best experience. Face fears.
Oh. So how old am I? 1, 2,
21.
Later. I'm turning 22.
Lakini hujatan.
But I'm turning
21 hujatan. Najipenda. 21. Nikuulize tu like exercise ni nini?
Ulizaambia kitu nijibu.
Ngoje. What are my hobbies?
Your hobbies, sleeping. Your hobbies unalalanga sana. Unalalanga.
Hiyo si hobby lakini.
Sawa, unapenda kuswim.
Mimi ndo najua kuswim.
Basi unakula. Unapenda kupika. Upendi? Basi unapenda kukula. Sawa, traveling. Ai kadogo.
Listening to music.
Since when?
Unaona wewe listen to music.
Since when? What is my height?
Yes, 5'6". Okay, hapo hiyo nimejulia wapi? Sasa hiyo yote hapana. Sio nilijulia wapi height. Kijuali. Hiyo height nilijulia.
5'5".
Kisi nilikuwa 5'6".
Niko mfupi. The last one. Kinenda kuoga. Cheki bana na decorate. Cheki shingo.
Sasa hii swali niliandika.
Anajua nitapata.
Acha kujichocha.
Wani swali?
What are my fears?
What are your fears? Being married. Having a child.
Losing
being pregnant.
Kufunga mdomo.
Haikisi kwa mdomo. Patako.
Napata ungezani swali moja by the way.
Ya nini?
Mtu atafikiria moja.
Kama niweka dim. Not bad.
Uliza.
Swali gani?
Si anasema uliza kwanza yako moja.
Nimemaliza.
Usitaka mtu atafute moja basi uniulize.
Wait after niulize.
Si nimetaka kukuuliza sana.
Niulize mimi sina. Akina katunga chapati. Akiona venye ananifanya na mimi ona venye namfanya.
She's cute. Na venye ana drip ona.
Toka.
She's dripping.
Niulize swali.
Mtani nitafute. Na ni mbio.
Nakago eh.
What do I hate doing?
What do you hate doing? You hate. What do you hate doing? Walking in the rain.
I don't enjoy. They don't enjoy. See, walking in the rain.
Your ex. I need it.
Prepara. So your next.
What are my? What is my favorite? My favorite my favorite. My favorite song.
Alan Walk.
Nah. My favorite song. My favorite song. I'll do my favorite song.
Sasa sijisikii ukisikia kila siku. Fuck. Hi.
My favorite song is any SDS song is my favorite song.
Your favorite musician?
Your favorite musician.
Let's funge blog. Nasikia make it in life. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. Bye.
It was fun.
Like the way it was fun.